Hi, this is Luci. I'm the creator of Luci Proxy, and I want to show you guys the new updates I've done on the application. It's amazing, much better kill switch, and an overall improved experience with WebRTC protection and blocking even more leaks than usual. But let's just not talk about it. Let's get into it because I know many of you guys are not technical and don't really want to hear boring technical stuff. And for the people that do want to hear boring technical stuff, please do contact me on Telegram. I do have my Telegram linked in here or on x.com, Luci Mornings, Lucifer Mornings. And yeah, let's go straight into it. I do have Luci Proxy, and as you can see it here, Luci Proxy is ready to work at any time and protect you any given time. As you can see, I've reworked the application's interface, make it much more appealing and easy to understand for you guys. There's a help page here, which can definitely help and make you understand what everything does and why it does. Let's go ahead and go to the license page here. You can check for updates if there's any updates to application. If not, then you're good to go. And the dashboard, which is obviously pretty simplistic. I didn't really go crazy about this because I wanted to keep it very simple and very tidy and friendly for everybody. Now let's go to the roadmap, show you the updates I did, which is the number 1 here after the initial capabilities. This was 0.1.7 and we got a much better UI. As you can see, I've rebuilt the macOS. I've added timezone sync, a locale consistent, which accepts language, navigator's language, and syncs your browser with Luci Proxy application. Synced connection. It's not just your operating system that is protected, but also your browser. You don't need an anti-detect browser and pair for another service and go with a lot of complicated things. With Luci Proxy does already everything. You don't have to move a finger. And the second update was the UDP. We support both UDP and TCP, and obviously auto updating. You don't have to download it every single time we have an update. Now you're going to receive updates automatically, and in the worst scenario you can check for it yourself and update the application from here. And obviously the update that I just did 2 days ago, which is kill switch hardening and instant restore. What kill switch is the application's main feature, which I really love myself, because if you have kill switch on when you connect with your proxy, and if your proxy drops completely, it's not working anymore, something happens, then what kill switch does, it kills every single bit of internet that tries to reach for your real address, and it's trying to recognize you, and it's trying to say somebody is trying to reverse engineer and you're using Luci Proxy and you're on a very bad proxy or unstable proxy. What kill switch does is if your proxy drops and this reverse engineering, I don't know, website person, whatever, is trying to reach your real location, or you're trying to hit into your real IP and your real online entity, then kill switch will block any sort of external connection trying to do that. You are fully protected even if your proxy drops. You have time to swap your proxy, you have time to take everything from zero and then go back online fully secured again without nothing ever happening. And yeah, I think this is pretty amazing because it leaves no way for anything to trace you or to break through the protection. Then we have WebRTC protection, which blocks stun, turn, and UDP. But again, guys, these are very technical, I'm not going into it, but what you have to know, WebRTC leakage is pretty annoying. I fixed that for you. And also we have the sync time zone, which syncs the time zone to the proxies, have full operating system synced to the proxy. And then the other problem was the browser that I also fixed with an external proxy, with an external browser extension that you will get with the application. You can download them both in the download section and just install them. It takes like a minute, activate, and go on. Let's say I want to go online with UDP and I have to activate this. Just so you to understand, this is optional for people that do prefer and need UDP. Let's say I go without it. Let's go ahead and connect. Now, Luci Proxy does ask for a lot of admin access, but this is not to pair with anything bad on your PC. It's just a lot of things at operating system to assure the security and privacy. But you can also check this in the temporary files under Luci Proxy logs, and you can see what happens and where it happens. Everything is local, nothing is stored anywhere, and every single bit of security is on your PC. Does not transmit anything to anywhere. Now that we got out of the way, let's go ahead and activate kill switch, and let's go ahead and activate this. It's gonna ask for a few. Let's go ahead and activate WebRTC protection, and let's go ahead and activate sync time zone as well after everything has been turned on. You have to be a little bit patient when you activate everything up, because you do want to give it to modify your operating system properly. Now, if we look in the log, we should be connected. We should be on a time zone sync to America, Chicago, kill switch enabled, and everything happening. And as you can see, my time zone also changed from Germany to Chicago, say. Great. Now you can turn this on if you want the time zone to automatically sync whenever you activate it on every single time. Great. Now that the proxy is active and everything is working as you want, you can go ahead and let's say you want to go to Netflix. Now usually I will be taken to Netflix Germany because I live in Germany at the moment. I'm in Netflix USA because we are present in the USA. And let's sync the browser extension as well and have a restart of the page. And yeah, everything is synced and working as it should. And even if you go to location and try to look from high location and try to reverse your own location, see where you are, even browser level, you are both in USA, browser level and operating system level. Great. All the checks work out. That means the software is doing great. That means you are traceable. And I do plan to improve this as we go. I have big plans for Luci Proxy, and I have the most important part I want to bring on is chaining proxy into proxy for that 250% privacy, which I know many of you guys will love. Yeah, I'm gonna skip you with the boring part now. Now you see that everything works. You are fully protected. The app is built in Rust. It is made to work fast and does not take much of your resources. Any sort of Mac really should be able to run this. As long as you're on macOS 12 plus, it should work flawlessly. Is there something that I really wanted to still show you guys or not? I'm thinking because I wasn't sure, because there are things I'm excited about, all the updates that I have for the application, that I keep forgetting what I want to say, because I don't talk based on a script. I'm telling you the reality as it is. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you understand how everything works. And if not, you can always go to luciproxy.com and you can read more about it here. You can go to roadmap, you can go to the features that we sell, that we offer you. I mean, I offer you because I built it alone. And yeah, you can go ahead and read. Very simple. Go ahead, get a subscription, try it out. If you have a cheap SOC 5 proxy, trust me, you will not go back to any sort of anti-data proxy again. Trust me when I say that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next update.